Oil versus grease. Which one should you use? At first glance, oil and grease may seem almost identical. Both are lubricants, both reduce friction, and both help machines run more smoothly. But despite these similarities, they are designed for very different purposes. Choosing the wrong one can lead to excessive wear, overheating, expensive repairs, and even complete equipment failure. Oil is a liquid lubricant that flows easily between moving parts. Because it circulates freely, it constantly carries away heat, dirt, and tiny metal particles created during operation. This makes oil the perfect choice for high-speed components such as car engines, gearboxes, hydraulic systems, and compressors. It provides continuous lubrication while also helping to cool and clean the system. Grease, on the other hand, is much thicker. It is made by mixing oil with a thickening agent, creating a semi-solid lubricant that stays exactly where it is applied. Unlike oil, grease does not flow through the system. Instead, it forms a protective layer that remains in place for long periods, making it ideal for bearings, wheel hubs, suspension joints, hinges, and other components that cannot be lubricated continuously. One of grease's biggest advantages is its durability. It resists water, dust, mud, and contaminants much better than oil. That's why heavy machinery, construction equipment, agricultural vehicles, and outdoor applications often rely on grease instead of oil. It continues protecting parts even in harsh environments where oil would quickly leak or wash away. However, grease also has limitations. Because it does not circulate, it cannot remove heat as effectively as oil. In high-speed applications, excessive grease can actually increase friction and temperature, reducing efficiency. This is why manufacturers carefully specify the correct amount of grease. More is not always better. Oil also requires regular maintenance. Over time, it breaks down due to heat, oxidation, and contamination. Dirty oil loses its ability to lubricate properly, which is why routine oil changes are essential for maintaining engine performance and extending equipment life. Many people wonder if grease can replace oil or vice versa. In most cases, the answer is no. Machines are designed specifically for one type of lubricant. Using grease where oil is required can block lubrication passages, while using oil where grease is needed may leave critical parts unprotected. Modern lubricants are highly engineered products. Different oils have different viscosity grades, while greases come in various consistency levels and formulations. Some are designed for extremely high temperatures, others for freezing conditions, heavy loads, or food processing equipment. Selecting the right lubricant depends on speed, load, temperature, and operating environment. In the end, neither oil nor grease is universally better. Each has its own purpose. Oil is best when continuous flow, cooling, and cleaning are required. Grease is the better choice when long-lasting protection and resistance to contamination are the priority. Understanding this simple difference can help prevent costly repairs, improve efficiency, and significantly extend the lifespan of almost any machine.